Today we're on our way to a traditional Japanese ryokan situated in the mountains about 30 minutes outside of Kyoto.
Alright, taking the express train to Kyoto.
お待たせしました。近鉄特急をご利用いただきありがとうございます。
From the moment you walk inside, you'll see it is a completely different pace. You take your shoes off at the door, and everything is slightly more relaxed. We'll get to enjoy a private hot springs bath in the mountains overlooking the sunset, and we'll get to enjoy a traditional kaiseki dinner. This is Japan at its most peaceful and refined. No crowds, no rush, just quiet and tranquility. So come along with us as we check out what a night in a traditional Japanese ryokan is really like.
So we're heading up to our hotel that's outside of Kyoto, up in the mountains. It's a ryokan, which is a traditional Japanese hotel with baths and traditional meal prepared for you for both dinner and for breakfast. So that should be pretty amazing. So we keep climbing up higher into the mountains. We should be there in about 10 minutes or so. So this is a little treat for us on this trip. Really looking forward to it. I know Irina's looking forward to all the baths.
Yes, I'm looking forward to spa.
Gotta check out this room. This is your tea set. And then this is the view out here. Thank you. What are you doing?
I'm paying my bill for the internet.
Anyway, so this is our room here at the Ryokan in the mountains. This is your dining room, and this is also where you'll be sleeping tonight. You have your mattresses in here and all of your bedding. And then over here you've got this amazing view of the fall foliage right here on the mountain. And more to come. There's a private bath with the view. It's right outside. This is a bathroom here. You can call with this telephone.
5-4.
Okay, with this telephone.
Yes, careful.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Gotta check out this old school phone over here. I haven't seen one of those since the 80s. Hey, did you see that you have a private private bathtub over here?
Did you see what it is?
Yeah, it's a little hole in the ground.
I'm not going there.
The bathtub is a little hole in the ground. I'm not sure I could fit in here. I don't know what's over here. You get your own slippers. So when you check in, they take your shoes, and you're not allowed to wear shoes in the whole hotel. Anyway, looking forward to the stay here. Kids don't understand the dread of having to dial 0. Hi. Hello. Can I place a order for drinks, please? Thank you.
Are they gonna make your bed?
Yes. So this up here is your private bath. here. And then there's this. All right, so this is the private bath. Open the doors. Ah, there you go. Look at that. What a view.
Are you done?
And one more. Well, I'm not going to turn the camera around so you can see what's going on here, but that's the view from the hot tub. It's pretty nice. I said it is scorching hot. It's the hands. It's just very, very hot. Well, that was fun. Except that the water is just scorching. I mean, it's got to be above 104. Our hot tub at home is 104, and that's barely tolerable. And this thing was impossible. So it might have been 107, 108 degrees. It was ridiculous. But that sunset view is amazing. Irina,
I'm coming.
what are you wearing?
I'm trying to make this kimono knot situation here. I'm not succeeding.
They gave us these robes to wear for the hotel, like around dinner, around everywhere.
They said we have to wear it at dinner.
We don't have to wear it. We can wear it.
We can wear it at
Yeah.
dinner, they said.
Hello. How are you? How did you enjoy?
Konnichiwa.
How did you enjoy your hot tub here?
Very much.
This thing is which is way too hot.
Yes.
But all right, amazing socks you have. Let me see.
Look at that. Fashion.
Nice.
Nice.
Special socks that the hotel gave us.
Hold on, don't leave without me. I'm still collecting my belongings.
I'm not leaving without you, don't worry. I would never do that. It's just so very quiet here. You can hear the water back there somewhere. A little stream or river or something. And this is just 30 minutes out of Kyoto. Wouldn't quite imagine to be here. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Yeah, look at these leaves.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Autumn leaves are very pretty. That's why we're here.
All right, let's get back to the room.
Okay. Let's try not to fall. These shoes are.
They gave me these slippers, and they're
They're not
extreme.
comfortable.
They're very extremely slippery. I mean, that's what they call slippers, right? Was a hike to get up here. I'm just glad we're not doing this at night. They also have a shared spa in this place, which is pretty cool. So over here, and then over here, this one's outside. Very nice. It's an onsen with the view. Look at that.
Look at that.
Enjoying
I
your
finally
view?
managed to properly tie everything.
Ah, look who looks pretty. Get yourself some tea and some drinks
Some sake.
and a beautiful view.
Now we're enjoying the view. I think they turned the lights on, so it's something now is a little more lit up. And my fancy socks.
Your fancy socks. Oh my god, look at those things.
Look at that.
Well, we've got dinner here in a little bit. I think that's it for us today. some wagyu, Irina?
It's nice and warm.
Are you happy? You happy? I'll take you a video.
Why not?
So I will take you a video.
Huh?
I said I will take you a video.
This is very cool.
Wagyu.
Now Wagyu is going in.
You got yourself some.
Is it a video?
It's a video.
I was pausing for a picture. But I got some
There
free.
you go.
There's Wagyu beef, and this is sesame sauce, ponzu sauce. They say ponzu is for meat, sesame is for veggies. I do prefer sesame for my meat. It's milder, and the ponzu is a little more sharp.
You're paying. You can do whatever you want.
And this Wagyu beef is amazing.
You got some kind of dessert. You got 2 grapes.
Two
Something.
and some other fruit.
It's like 2 grapes.
Well, fruits are expensive here. So
There.
that's
What's the grape like?
big.
It's a big. It's a good grape. What's the other thing?
Let's try it. I think it's pear.
It's a pear? Looks like a pear.
It's pretty tasteless. But I think it might be pear.
Alright.
Texture-wise, it's pear.
Alright.
Goodbye. I was gonna take the magazine for the train. But
Which magazine?
The one that was all the sightseeing stuff in it.
Okay. Should we go? Thank you. Take the bus. Thank you. All right. On the shuttle back to Kyoto. Bye-bye. It was a nice little place, right?
It was very nice. Very authentic experience for sure.
Right. Oh, it's 2 bags.
I love how they wave on you like all the time.
Right.
Except when we arrived, there was like 5 people waving. We're leaving only 2. I don't know what's going on.
Well, the other ones are
They don't care anymore.
working. Oh, there's a cemetery down there.
Oh yeah.
See it?
Uh-huh. Very cool.
Huge.
Some really interesting looking trams here.
Right? Irina, where are we?
We are in the Rao bakery that I wanted to check out. And they're opening it up as we speak. We waited for a little while. We came a little early. It is a very cool bakery. World's best pastry shop selection in 2025. It's in a cool little building. And stuff that they make. Ready?
Yes.
Ready to check it out? Let's
right.
go.
Let's see what we got.
Let's cut through this. I feel bad destroying this masterpiece, but I really want to see what's inside. Oh, it fell apart, but
What about this one? This one's hard.
I never even took a picture of it. You just took videos. Damn it. Forgot to take a picture of mine. Oh. Come on, Adrian.
No.
Do better.
It's impossible. It's cold.
Ta-da!
Yeah, there you go.
We could do a better job doing this.
We destroyed two pretty pastries.
We just destroyed two pretty
We're
pieces.
savages over here.
Yes.
Well, how was that?
It was great. I'm just taking a picture because I forgot to take a picture of the one that we were eating. But they're so beautiful. I just eat them.
They're very pretty. What's that?
This is what Kyoto, I guess, is all about. Just cool little streets.
Just trying to find our hotel. Here's
Little
your
river.
fall.
Look at this river. Houses on the water, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
A little coffee shop here.
It's a coffee shop with like just one counter. It's like all these old traditional Kyoto houses. It's very cool.
Very beautiful.